Hello, good morning. My name is Chris. I'm here with John's Electrical. Today we will be doing a 20 amp sump pump circuit for the customer. And what it entails is right now we're getting the panel cover off. We already got in the attic to determine the path we want to take. Next we have to get some material out, get going on the process, and bring you guys along with us.